ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit.
Hey colorful weirdos! My name is Nina and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nina. So for today's video, I will be filming myself doing my makeup look using only my favorite lip tints, and that is Elitism. I've been using this for 2 months now. Sobrang sulit niya. It's super affordable. You can use this for school and stuff like that. And ang favorite ko dito is honeycomb go-to lips for going out or kahit nasa bag ko to parate yung honeycomb. If date night, ganon, or if events, it's always Saffron Rush. Pero pag mga ethereal looking, I always go with Lotus Bloom or Mystic Chic. So I'll show you how I achieve this look using the Elitism products. From eyeshadow to blush and from my lips. So let's go! So what you're seeing right now is I've done foundation, my concealer, and my powder off cam kasi I feel like it's repetitive na lang. If you're curious to know ano ginagawa ko sa foundation, you can actually check my makeup YouTube playlist. I'll link it down below, and it's pretty much the same. So yeah. So I'll do my bronzer, and then I'll be using the matte lip tint, the full face, ganon. So yeah, I'm gonna use KIKO Milano. So Elitism sent me their shades. This one. Yeah, so I have Lotus Bloom, Saffron Rush, Mystic Chic, Mystic Chic, and Honeycomb, my favorite. If you follow me on Instagram, this is what I always wear, Honeycomb. So I'll swatch it for you guys. So I'll do Lotus Bloom here. I used Honeycombed and Mystic Chic. Then for my blush on, I think I'll be using Mystic Chic again. Just because it's safe for... And then for the lips, honeycomb ulit. I think I'll go with Saffron Rush. finish look, I've used the full face from eyeshadow to blush to lips. I've used Elitism. It's technically for lips, but I wanna challenge myself. Challenge. Using these for eyeshadow, blush, and for lips. And I've actually linked their description down below if you're curious on how much this is. You can visit their IG, their Instagram account, or Facebook account. Hope you like and enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified when I have a new video. Hey colorful weirdos, my name is Nina and welcome back to my channel.